Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Deb and I create videos on everything. Today's video, we're gonna be unboxing these cookies that I bought online. Yeah, they're called Stuffed, and I'm pretty excited because I see everybody posting about them. So, let's begin. Okay, so this is the package right here, and these are from California, and what makes them special is that they are stuffed with either cookie butter or I'm actually gonna open this up and show you what it's stuffed with. If I can actually open it up. Here we go. Okay, so this is what the package looks like when you open it up, and it has all the cookies there. They bake them fresh on Tuesdays and then ship them out. So this gives you like some information on the cookies, like how to store them, the shelf life, reheating them up, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go cookie by cookie here. Ooh, they're nice and warm because I live in Orlando, Florida. So they're gonna be really nice and warm. The first one is this chocolate peanut butter dream cookie. And that looks delicious. And the stuffing for this one is peanut butter and chocolate ganache. Next up we have this Oreo Bday cake cookie, and this one has cookie butter. Ooh. This one's called the Slutty Cookie, and the stuffing is chocolate ganache, Oreo, and salted caramel. Next up, we have the Churro and Horchata cookie, and the stuffing is horchata cream cheese frosting. I'm really excited about that one because that one's super popular. And then this one is a s'mores cookie, and the stuffing is chocolate ganache. It has like marshmallows and stuff. Yum. And last but not least, we have the Nutella chocolate chunk cookie, which is stuffed with Nutella. So the one that I'm gonna be opening up is the churro and horchata cookie. That's the one that's like I'm most excited about. So let's open up this bad boy. Smells good. It's super soft. Like, let me take it out here. Oh yeah. Super soft. Can you see that? And then so let me actually cut it. That tastes so good. And I don't know if you can see like the stuffing. Okay, so the next one that I'm gonna open up, probably open them all up, but for right now, I'm gonna open up this s'mores cookie. Now the horchata one is super soft. This s'mores cookie, I feel like has a little bit more, oh wow. So I don't know if you can see, like the marshmallow is super melted. Oh no. I'm looking delicious as heck. Oh yeah. Okay, well, I just took a chunk of marshmallow off of this cookie, but yes. And then it is super like, oh, yeah, that could have been bad. Oh, I see, okay. And the stuffing for this one is chocolate ganache, and you see that that is stuffed. Oh wow, my hands are super dirty. Mmm. So good. Okay. Okay. Now, this was more of like a splurge for me. I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies all together, which I'm actually gonna be sharing. I'm not gonna eat them all in one sitting. It was like $41 with shipping, but they are, again, specialized, like they're specialty cookies, and they're coming from California, fresh. So, and they taste hella fresh too. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the information down below. I'm going to clean my hands and I'm gonna go ahead and jump into more of these cookies. So I hope you enjoyed this video and more to come soon. Bye.